nationwide in our quest to achieve universal health coverage. Once again, is being shown here. This ceremony comes after the recent inauguration of a 160-bed Upper West Regional Hospital in Wa, not forgetting the 5 polyclinics which were commissioned for use in the Greater Accra region earlier in this year. Your Excellency, Mr. President, we will recall that the whole idea of the construction of this hospital, which was relocated to Kwabenya Atomic from Medina in the same region due to issues bordering on land acquisition, started during President Kufuor's time together with 7 other hospitals. Tepa in the Ashanti region, Konongo also in the Ashanti region, Wenchi in the Buno region, which was later relocated to Nsoko, likely in the same region for obvious political reasons. Salaga in the Northern region, Wa in the Upper East region, Trifopraso in the Central region, and Sewa also in the Ashanti region. All documentations, such as commercial and financial agreements, were done before the n.p.p. lost elections in 2008. In fact, these arrangements were signed by my own colleague, the Honorable late Kwadwo Banredu, who was then the finance minister. May his soul rest in peace. Actual construction, however, of the project started in 2014 under the former President Mahama's administration. And indeed, he actually cut the sword for the project to begin and to complete in 36 months. But after the sword cutting, the project did not see much progress. The Ghana East Hospital, one of the 8 hospital projects being implemented, cost $40.67 million.
Aerojet Invest has 6 more hospitals to complete, and they deliver to Ministry of Health that include 1 250-bed regional hospital and the 560-bed district hospitals to be put at the disposal of the good people of Ghana. Your Excellency, we gave the commitment in Wa that all the Ministry of Health hospitals would be completed and handed over before November 2020. Your Excellency, I wish to reiterate that commitment to you and the good people of Ghana.
I'm very happy to be here this afternoon to commission the 100-bed Ghana East District Hospital, which is part of the Ghana Hospital Project, initiated by the government of Ghana in 2008 and executed by Eurojet, the Invest SA of Egypt, a proud Pan-African company. Has been long awaited in Ghana East, and it is good that today the demand for a district hospital of quality has been realized. Residents and surrounding health facilities in Ashongman, Dome, Hacho, Kwabenya, and Medina will now gain access to improved health care from the Ghana East Hospital. The Ghana Hospital Project involves the design, construction, and equipping of 1 military hospital, 2 regional hospitals, and 6 district hospitals in Ghana at a project cost of $339 million United States dollars, and will deliver 810 beds. It falls under the broader objective of providing infrastructure for the delivery of effective health care to the citizenry. This hospital is fitted with modern medical equipment and designed with several departments, including an administration block, outpatient department, physiotherapy unit, pharmacy, radiology unit, laboratory, surgical suite, emergency and casualty unit, amongst others. Ladies and gentlemen, government is committed to improving access to essential and quality health services through the provision of the necessary health infrastructure, equipment, and logistics, including the deployment of appropriate technology as part of our drive to attaining universal health coverage. Today, the National Health Insurance Scheme, that great social legacy bequeathed to us by the outstanding Ghanaian statesman, the second president of the Fourth Republic, His Excellency John Ajekun Kufuor, and which was left in ruins by his NDC successors, has been revived again by another n.p.p.-led government. We have cleared the 1.2 billion cedis arrears we inherited and brought the operations of the NHIS back to life. We've also launched the policy of mobile renewal of NHIS membership. As part of the promise to procure 1 ambulance each for the 275 constituencies in Ghana, we've taken stock of the first batch of 96 ambulances, and by the end of December, the rest will be in. We've already trained the drivers for these ambulances to respond to the health delivery needs of our people. We're delivering essential medical health products through the use of drones. And just within the first 5 months of its operations, I'm told over 1,000 flights have been made from the site in Ominako with over 5,000 products delivered. We're also leveraging the use of technology with some of our healthcare facilities before the end of the year, going paperless. We've deployed an electronic platform for logistics management information systems for the distribution of drug and non-drug commodities in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to reinforce the call to the administrators to embrace and strengthen the culture of maintenance. This edifice has been put at great cost to our nation, and we should be in the position, some 10 years down the line, to see it still in good condition. It should not fall in the ways in which several institutions like this in Ghana have gone. The leadership of this facility must set the example for its periodic and constant maintenance. Let me commend once again the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and Eurojet for the great efforts they and their teams have put into the completion of this project, a project which has spanned 4 successive governments, unfortunately. Accordingly, I declare the Ghana East District as Municipal Hospital duly commissioned. May God bless us all in our homeland, Ghana, and make her great and strong.